This video is on a liquid concealer that I have picked up primarily because it claims to be a fragrance-free full coverage concealer. If you have sensitive skin, it would be a good idea to switch to fragrance-free makeup and skincare products so as not to irritate the skin. Watch on to find out more about Colorbar Flawless Full Cover Concealer and whether it's worth the INR 699 price tag. Product description: brighten your eyes, mask acne scars, and hide the remains of your crazy Saturday night with our Flawless Full Cover Concealer. Its liquid to powder formula contains natural active agents like jojoba, sunflower wax, and palm butter that condition and moisturizes your skin for a full cover and crease-free matte finish. This weightless concealer effectively masks blemishes for a smooth, matte effect. The travel-size container makes you glow on the go. Its liquid to powder formula delivers full coverage, highly blendable and long-lasting. Ingredients: aqua, dimethicone, trimethylsiloxysilicate, caprylyl-methicone, isomalaurate, isododecane, butylene glycol, glycerin, mica, ethylhexyl palmitate, H-trimethylhexylactam crosspolymer, silica, PEG 1818 dimethicone, PEG 10 dimethicone. There are 5 shades available in this range: velvet, chiffon, satin, silk, and lacy. Now, consider yourself lucky if you can fit yourself into these shade categories. I just landed the perfect shade match with lacy, and let me tell you at the outset that this concealer is extremely good. Taking into consideration all other concealers in this price range, I would place Colorbar Flawless Full Cover Concealer just 1 or 2 notches below the almost perfect MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, which is my absolute favorite because it covers blemishes and covers imperfections, giving the skin a smooth texture. Talking about Colorbar Flawless Full Cover Concealer, it's a thick, creamy, liquid concealer which blends smoothly into the skin, imparting a matte effect without creasing. I was surprised with how easily the concealer blends without much effort considering how thick the consistency was. I absolutely like the matte finish without looking cakey or streaky. The applicator one makes dotting of the concealer under the eyes area and on the skin pretty easy. When you're traveling, it's a good concealer to carry along because you just need clean fingertips to blend it smoothly. Coming to coverage, I would say it covers up blemishes and acne scars pretty well and imparts an even tone finish, though people with severe under-eye circles may not exactly be happy with the coverage. Also, to set it into place, dabbing loose powder over the top would be a good idea. Going through the ingredients list, there is no added fragrance or parabens, which is commendable. Really like how more and more brands are getting rid of added fragrance. Summing up, Colorbar Flawless Full Cover Concealer is an extremely good concealer considering the price, and it works really well to cover up imperfections. In fact, I would say it's better than LA Girl Pro Matte Concealer, which is a cult favorite. My only issue, though I could find a perfect match for my skin tone, I think only a few people would be able to find theirs from the limited shade range of just 5 concealers. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.